What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is Ramton with the Financial Bull channel. Hope you all are having a great day, enjoying this red day that we're having, and placing some profitable trades and investing in the stock market in this red day. Anyways, in today's video, I want to go over my portfolio, give you guys an update, and just talk about my feelings about some of the trades as well as plays that I did, and want to let you know my thoughts on how I plan to end the week. Anyways, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, I highly encourage you guys to subscribe. If you enjoy videos such as this where I talk about my portfolio, give you guys updates on the options that I sell and trade, and if you enjoy videos about the stock market and finance in general. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a like. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So as you guys can see, we had a pretty red day today, mostly with tech, but you can see that we're having a good amount of red. The banking sector is having a decent day with JPM up 3.16%. as well as the other banks in the green. But the tech sector is taking the hit today with Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon down over 2%. So with Microsoft, we're down 2.34%, Apple 2.97%, which if you were thinking about getting into some Apple stock, today would have been the day to do that. Anytime you see a substantial dip in any of the stocks you're eyeing on or looking to purchase or is on your watch list, I suggest just getting in and dollar cost averaging whenever you can on these red days. Semiconductors, you can see also red. Qualcomm is up 2.32%. Not sure why they are the black sheep in this red day, having a pretty nice green outcome out of all the other semiconductors. So might be some news that came out on Qualcomm, maybe something about the new 5G phones, but other than that, mostly red. You have some green in the industrial sector and the railroad sector as well. So jumping right into my Robinhood portfolio, you can see the huge list of options that I currently have open, and I'm going to go one by one into the plays that I've made and also stocks that I've recently purchased as well. So let's start with the options. You guys can see at the very top I have a covered call on Uber at $33.50, which is my cost basis, earning me a premium of 25 cents per share. So got $25 in premium selling this, and currently the value of this contract is about $9, so I'm up $16. If I were to close out, I would pocket $16 and my collateral of 100 shares of Uber would be freed. But with that, I believe I'm going to stick with this contract. So with everything going on with Uber, I don't think they're going to hit $33.50 this week. They had news of California putting a law out, or the judge of California saying that Uber needs to pretty much have all their workers classified as employees, including the contractors, and giving them benefits as if they were actual employees of the company. So that's one of the factors that went into Uber having a red day today as well as yesterday as well. Anyways, jumping back to the options here, Facebook, I have a covered call at the $270 strike price. And if you guys have been following me, you know that with Facebook, I got my shares called away last week at the $257.50 strike price. So you might be thinking, well, if you're selling a covered call, then I'm assuming you purchased 100 shares. And you are correct. I actually have currently 125 shares of Facebook at a average cost of $266.44. Wrote this covered call, and I wrote this contract right in this middle area here, and you guys can see I earned $253 in premium selling this covered call, which kind of annoyed me since Facebook was going up in value, the share price early today, and this contract was worth $353 at one point. So I did miss out on about $100 in premium, but you really can't time the market and time these type of situations. So for me to at least have earned $253 in premium selling this covered call is still pretty good. It's a very nice premium to earn, and if Facebook does get to 270 by the end of the week, then I'd be happy to get my shares called away. Since my cost basis is right around the $266 mark and my strike is at 270, I'm going to get some nice appreciation in the stock as well, and that will gain me some additional profits there. Alright, so WKHS, which is Workhorse, that's a new stock that I decided to sell options on, and sold a cash secured put at the $15.50 strike price, and sold actually two of those contracts. Earned about $95 per contract in premium, so that's about $190 in premium. So you guys can see that in 1 week I earned 6.12% in gains if I just hold on to this contract and let it expire worthless, which hopefully it does. Currently, Workhorse is right at $15.55, so it's just touching my strike price, but we can see in the past month pretty sideways movement with Workhorse, which is what you want when selling cash secured puts. And we can see that Workhorse dipped to the mid $14 range, so about $14.50, and shot back up into the 16. So it really doesn't like to trade below $15 is what I have seen through this 1 month chart. So I think that I'm pretty safe with the strike price that I selected, even though it's really close to the money. And that's probably one of the reasons why I earned so much in premium selling this contract. So we have two of those open, and we'll write it and see what's going to happen with the share price of Workhorse, and decide from there whether we want to close it out early or just leave the contract till expiration. Alright, so jumping in, Starbucks, we have a covered call at the $79 strike price. Currently, this contract is worth 80 cents, so about $80. And this is another situation where I'm kind of annoyed just because I had earned $24 in premium when I sold this contract, and I believe I sold this yesterday, and today you guys can see that it's worth $80 just because Starbucks has shot up recently and is testing the strike price that I had selected, so it's past the $79. Currently, after hours, closed at $79.20. This is a contract that I'm probably not going to roll over. I don't mind getting my Starbucks shares called away. I think I have better use for that capital, so just going to leave that expire, and if I get my shares of Starbucks called away, then that'll be alright with me. All right, American Airlines, we have a $16 strike price, covered call, earned about $14. I'm pretty happy about this play. The contract right now is worth $9, so I'm up $5 with it if I decide to close it out, which I don't plan to do because American Airlines is also another stock that I don't mind getting rid of. And currently the stock is trading at $13.98 here in the close. Here's one of my stocks that I have become accustomed to selling, not only cash secured puts but covered calls, win and have a covered call at the $85 strike price. And this one I'm really upset about. Win is a pretty volatile stock. You can see that in the past week this contract was worth about $50. I earned about $140 when I sold it, and Win has also shot up in price and is currently around $88.55. So clearly blew past the strike price that I had selected when I sold this contract, and the contract is worth $498. So if I were to buy it back right now, I would have to pay $358. That's how much I would be negative if I were to roll this contract. I'd have to buy that and then sell another covered call. But I'm just gonna hold on to this contract. Maybe Win will have a little bit of a pullback and hopefully trade in the mid 80s, so around $85, $86. But if I do get called, then I will just turn around and sell a cash secured put next week and try to get back into Win. So also a really good premium with Win. Win is a pretty volatile stock like I mentioned, so the premiums also show that. And if you guys are thinking about trading or selling options with a stock between $50 to $100 per share, I think Win is a stock that you would be happy with to earn some really juicy premiums and continue riding the stock price up. So MGM, $21 strike price, covered call with MGM as well, and earned about $22 per share, so about $22 in premium we earned with this contract. And this contract we're down about $72. It's worth about $94. Also another situation where just bad timing and bad luck, and even though I'm not losing money, I'm leaving a lot of money on the table, and that's no fun. So just gonna hold on to this contract and let it expire. If I get my shares called away, then so be it. But MGM is also one of the other stocks that I would love to move the capital into some other trades or stocks. So we shall wait and see if Win is above 21 on Friday, $21 on Friday. All right, and MFA, these are the old contracts that you guys have seen from my prior videos, and I have a cash secured put, one contract at the $2.50 strike price, earned about $30 in premium. So right now the contract is worth $13. I can close it out, but MFA has shot up in price, right now trading around $3, so I don't think that MFA will get to $2.50 by October 16th, which is the expiration. And I also have 3 other contracts with a $3 strike price, cash secured puts also expiring October 16th. And with those, I earned about $112 average premium per contract. Right now, the contract is worth 38 cents or $38 per contract, and that is also another one that I'm gonna just hold on to and just wait till it expires worthless and reap all of the profit from the premium. So anyways, another quick options day trade that I did was with Uber that I quickly wanted to show you guys. So on Monday, I sold a cash secured put for Uber at the $31.50 strike price, and I earned about $50 in premium. And that same day, if you look at the time here, you guys can see I bought back that same contract for $43. So in about 6 minutes, I earned about $7 from this play. Not too bad. And then I turned around and sold a cash secured put again. This time I earned about $52. Same strike price at $31.50. Turned around and bought it back for $43. So about an additional $9 from that play. And that one was for a bit longer. I think I was just holding on to this contract, thinking I might just hold on to it till Friday. And then at about 10:29 a.m. I just decided to close out and take my small profit that I had earned. So in total, earned about $16 with this play that I did with Uber on Monday. So not too bad. And in fact, if you guys want to know how much percentage that would equal with the amount of collateral that I had put forward, so we earned about $16, and if we divide that by total collateral of $31.50, it's about a 0.5%, which isn't too bad. If you do that for a whole year, you're looking about 26% gain on your money, which is really nice. The last thing I want to mention was some of the stocks I ended up purchasing. So I did end up getting to my 25 share goal that I had with Apple. So I do have 25 shares, and with a average cost basis of around $435.64. So we're just gonna hold on to these 25 shares and wait for the Apple stock split to happen. And in that case, after the split, I will have 100 shares, and I will end up selling covered calls with Apple when that does happen, and earning weekly income from that, which should be very nice. And I did mention I bought 1,000 shares of MFA, have a average cost of $2.78 with MFA, and they did announce that they are going to pay a dividend, which is going to happen in the fall in the amount of 5 cents per share. And the last stock that I purchased was DPHC, which is Diamond Peak Holdings. Diamond Peak Holdings is pretty much a stock that's going to merge with Lordstown Motors, which is an electric vehicle company, and they're coming out with their electric pickup truck to hit the market. So this was just some gambling money that I did put into the stock, and you can see that my average cost is $12.95, and currently have 40 shares. Plan to hold on to this and see what the future holds for this company. But anyways, that's all I had for you guys today. Just wanted to show you the portfolio and the trades that I played and how I'm planning to end the week. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you did like the video, please feel free to give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos on this channel and like to see videos about my portfolio updates, the stock market, investing, trading options, and pretty much anything about finance and making money and wealth building. So with that, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.